How to send chat to multiple people at once on WhatsApp. First, close your WhatsApp application.
Let's go.
Open App Store.
I wake up to a little
Search
bit
for
of
WhatsApp
but I feel like
application.
it's gonna be a bad day.
Updated WhatsApp.
And the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great.
Now close App Store and open WhatsApp.
Not even that paid. I need a change in my life, 'cause I don't feel like
Click
I've
the
got
broadcast
nothing that
list
make me
data T the
happy.
top left corner.
Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket.
Click
I'm
here.
on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh,
256 maximum contact selections. For this tutorial, I will select for recipients. Click here. Click here to add or remove recipients.
But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do
Write your message and send.
what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
The recipients will receive the message chat individually. You can also delete anytime you want.